Welcome to another edition of What We're Cooking. And for the second night in a row, we decided to help out and support some of our local restaurants. We went to Main Street Goodness and Pyconic. And so what are we having for dinner tonight?
We're having some quiche and a salad.
That's right. And you are going to help with the salad. But first, let's get the quiche in the oven. So Nick, why don't you get out one of the cookie sheets and we'll put the quiche on top of that. Okay? So gently pick it up.
Oh!
Ha ha ha, very funny. Funny guy. Now slide the cardboard gently from underneath. No, okay, I'll help you. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 350. Turn it the other way around. It's not too hot. It'll be okay. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. And now, time to make the salad. All right, Nick, so why don't you take the contents of that, put it on into the salad spinner. And then let's rinse it in the sink. Going. More muscle. Okay. Hit the button to stop it. All right. Use your hands. You can go ahead and use your hands so you don't spill any. You're a big fan of the salad, right?
I think I am, but I'm a big fan of the Caesar salad.
Well, we're not having a Caesar salad tonight.
Gosh darn it.
All right, so you've prepared the greens. Now I'm going to prep the accoutrement. So, out of all the veggies, the tomatoes, the scallions, the peppers, which are your favorite?
The tomatoes.
The tomatoes?
The tomatoes.
You say tomato.
I say tomato.
You say potato. I say
potato.
Tomato.
Potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Let's call the whole thing off. I was going to make salmon today, but then we thought, what the heck? It's almost Friday, so we'll have, and it's Lent, so we'll have fish tomorrow.
Wait, why are we giving up? Oh, I get it. We're giving something up.
That's right, meat. For and do you like the color of this?
Yes, I like the color.
Doesn't it look very appetizing?
Yes, it looks a little
Color
very
is
appetizing.
wonderful in a meal. Some scallions for a little bite. Now, should I put cheddar cheese in or blue cheese?
Cheddar cheese peppers.
Well, I'm going with blue cheese.
Ah! Is that really blue cheese?
Is it?
Yes, it's blue cheese.
It's a Stilton blue cheese, which is a little harder. So there you have it. Salad by Nick Roker and a quiche that's made of bacon, cheddar, and onion by our friends at Pyconic. I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
And that's what we're cooking. Takeout edition part 2. And that's
a wrap.
yes.